In this video of 1 2 step, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram ad payment method not working. If you're trying to add in a payment method to your Instagram, but for some reason you cannot add it in, I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can try out. Now the first thing that you can do in this case is, if you have not switched to a professional account yet, you can try doing so. So open up your profile section on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right, tap on settings and head over to accounts. Scroll down and tap on switch to professional account. If you are not a professional account yet, whether it be creator or business account, you won't be able to add in a payment method. So make sure you switch either to a creator or a business account. Now the second thing that I suggest you to do is, instead of adding in your current payment method, you can add in a different one, such as if you have any other debit or credit cards, PayPal account or ShopPay account. So as you can see, if you tap on payment methods and add payment methods, there are three ways that you can add in the payment method, either with credit card or debit card, PayPal or ShopPay. So you can choose any other method that you have if the current one is not working for you. Now even if you use a different payment method and you're still having this issue, then that could be because there is simply a bug or a glitch. So the best way that you can fix this is, if there is a glitch or a bug, you can first try to update your Instagram app. Open up the Play Store or the App Store, search for Instagram and tap on update if there are any new updates available. Updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing the problem. Once you update your app, if your problem is still not fixed, then the next thing I suggest you to do is completely remove or uninstall Instagram from your device. Uninstalling apps also helps in clearing out glitches which may be on your device. So just uninstall the app and again download it and log into your account. So once you do these couple of steps, your problem of ad payment method not working should be fixed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.